and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So I'm looking very pale. I've literally got brows, eyelashes and sort of finished glow on my skin because I need to be bringing back to life a little bit. But today's video, by the thumbnail and the title, is a very exciting video. Maybe I'm a bit too overexcited for a brand new phone, but got an upgrade. I'm very excited. I'm that kind of girl that when you get a new phone, a video on YouTube has to be filmed. I've done one of these. Actually, I've done quite a lot of these. So yeah, I don't actually know how much storage this has got, which could be quite 128 gigabytes. I suppose that's a lot, isn't it? Is that a lot? Let me know in the comments if that's a lot. As you can see, I'm not very well versed in this, but I got an upgrade. It was actually my upgrade day today. I'll link the week in my life video, kind of like a weekly vlog, in the description when it's up, because you can see this before then, when I actually went and got the phone. I remember I used to use my old iPhone packaging boxes for makeup storage. How things have changed. So I've got the black iPhone 14 Pro Max. This was not planned. I did want another colour, but I was classic in the thinking of I could have waited 2 days. I didn't want to wait 2 days, so and I'm ordering a case tonight from Skinny Dip because I'm just going to put this out here in this video. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I'm going 2 phones up. My camera is busted, but this is a Skinny Dip case. These are the shock cases, they're £24. Not as expensive a case so far. I was actually having a conversation with the girl in the shop in Vodafone, and I said I will invest in a Casetify case at some point because you can make them so personal, and that's why I'd spend £60 on a phone case. Kind of makes me feel violently ill. And these are 24, and I tell you, I had a cheap Shein case on my phone. That's how I cracked my camera. I have dropped this God knows how many times. The shock cases from Skinny Dip, from my experience, are the best cases, and they do some really cute ones too. So yeah, but I don't have that because I didn't know exactly for sure which phone I was getting. So yeah, I'm not a fan of the colour of this phone. I wanted to get a gold one. It's all right, it's sleek, it's smart. I'm going to cover it with a Disney case. So I'm going to reposition the camera and we're going to set this up together and unbox it together. I'm so excited. Can you tell? Oh my god, I'm really red. Okay, I need to stop being happy because on camera. So I think you can, oh no. Okay. Right. I've been told this is really simple. We shall. Okay, we shall see. So, take this out of the case. How does so much dirt get in a case? I just don't get it. So apparently it's easy. Apparently, let me just put my password in without you guys seeing it. Apparently you just put them next to each other, so I'll be ready for the really satisfying bit. Oh my god, I am. So there's not really a size difference, but there's more screen to this, if you get what I mean. My brand new one. Okay, let's turn it on. Apparently you literally just put them next to each other and it supposedly works. So we're going to go with the flow. But inside the box, if you didn't know, you just get the cable and like an information thing. Hello. English. Continue. What circle? Hey. I don't understand. Hang on. Give me a minute. Okay, so I don't know how much of this you can see. Maybe I should actually put that one. I don't know how much of this you can see, guys. Can I? So it's an infection down here now. I'm going to just do it holding my phone because it's just, I'm not technical. Apps and data transfer directly. Oh, it does. Good, because I need to transfer my SIM. And Mum was like, oh, you'll have it in your terms and conditions. Agree. Lovely. Little thing. Get my SIM card out. Apple ID password. It's really good that I changed my Apple ID password because I kept forgetting it. So yeah. Do you still need to put it next to it? I don't know. I'm going to need that. And I'm going to keep this someplace safe. Because, yeah. Oh, I'm just going to drink and this. Picking up iPhone essentials and pretzel sticks from M&S. And yeah, I do have a bit of real sick plus eye. It's an ongoing problem. Alright, well now I'm terms and conditions. I did not agree to that, and there you go. I literally having only my bank card in Apple Pay because I'm bloody use. Good. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send me a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? I live in England. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Siri, set up. I've never used Siri so much in probably... Oh. Okay, so it's transferring data from Lily's iPhone. Is that even moving? Yeah, it is. So we're going to be here a while. I'm not touching anything until it's done. So I'm just going to carry on watching Grey's Anatomy. And then we're going to be back. Oh, I'm just... It's literally an exciting day. It's got all my... Hang on. Has it got all my... It has... Done. Yeah, it's literally got everything. Sick. Okay. Okay. Okay, so everything else is connecting. So now I need to put in my SIM card. Which I don't really know how to use these. How do you do this? Remove. No. Okay, I can't remove any at the moment. But everything's still downloading. I'm so excited. So I've got a spare. Is that a new? Oh, it's a new plug. Oh, it's a new cable because my other cable from my fast charger That's what I use for my laptop. So how on earth is that going to go in there? The answer to that is it doesn't. So have I been given the... Oh my god, I'm so stupid. That bit goes in the bloody plug. I do wonder sometimes how I'm still just about functioning, because my brain is just not there. I was this years old when I realised that, well, I already knew Miley Cyrus was just an absolute chef's kiss of a musician and songwriter, but her new song Flowers, which was released 2 days ago on her ex-husband's birthday, mate, I posted, it was so unrelated to get my new phone, but I posted a clip of it from TikTok on my story on Instagram saying, manifesting these kind of like, basically what I was thinking is bad bitch vibes for this year. But I made clear it wasn't about my relationship status, because it is a single girl's anthem. I'm not single and I'm very happy in my relationship, but that song, it bangs. It is the shit. It is great. That if you never followed the situation with her and her ex-husband, which I love them both, yeah, one of their wedding songs was sort of like something by Bruno Mars, and she's basically taken parts of what the song he dedicated to her and made an anthem out of it. God love her. Anyways, everything pretty much, no, not really. So my phone is all set up, and we're going to just talk about it. We're going to talk about the upfront cost, because they've changed their phone system. I haven't had a new phone obviously in 2 years. 2 years to this day, clearly. So when I first got my this phone, I didn't have to pay anything up front. I opened this in Matt's old bedroom in his old house. It's just crazy, isn't it? But anyway, so there was no upfront cost. You just got it 2 years, 3 years, whatever you want to do. I am doing mine over the space of 2 years. Maybe if I did it over 3 years it'd be cheaper, but I just wanted to go with it because I have not got because she told me the price to buy it outright, and I'm like, if I wanted to buy it outright, I don't even know if you could buy them outright. I don't think you can from Vodafone, but she was saying that obviously you could go to Apple if you wanted to buy it outright, and I was like, girl, I don't even know if I would buy an Apple phone outright, even if I had a spare £1,200 just chilling in my bank account, you know, which obviously I do not. I wish I did, but I don't. I don't think I'd spend it on a phone. I'm not gonna lie, I've spent my money on some crap, and I'm not saying this is crap, but this is worth, I believe she said, £1,200. Like, it is insane. I am paying now. Some people might think this is crazy. Let's just put it into perspective. This phone here with £10 insurance, unlimited everything, cost me £101 and no, £100 and 42p to be exact. So if we're calculating that, oh no, this way. How do you get a calculator on this? Okay, there you go. Right, calculator. So I'm not good at maths, so we're just gonna have to work this out together. 100 times. In hindsight, maybe buying the phone outright is a hell of a lot cheaper. So I am paying double. I'm basically paying for 2 iPhones. Maybe even a bit less, because over 2 years I've spent £2,400 on this phone. That is sickening. Oh. This phone, 2 models up, no, this phone is my old one. This phone, 2 models up, yeah, only a little bit less. So over the next 2 years, I'm going to be spending £2,376 on this phone. So you're looking about 20 quid cheaper, which in total, if you add, So in 4 years, I've spent nearly 5 grand on 2 phones. That is actually something I wish I'd never looked into. So this phone is £99 a month, but it's with better insurance. I'm paying £15 a month for insurance, so it means if it gets lost, stolen, broken, whatever, I'm covered. So I lose everything. I'd lose my head if it weren't screwed on. So yeah, I'm putting it out there. I know £99 basically. I'm saving £1.42 a month. Yeah. Oh God, it is a lot of money, and I know with the cost of living right now, £99 is excessive, but I just want to put it into perspective. Not that I have to justify myself. I know it's my money, I can do what I want with it, but to put it into perspective, I don't own a house. I pay rent monthly to my mum, and like to help with utilities and bills and things like that, but I don't own anywhere. I don't have a car. I work full-time, but my responsibilities are pretty limited financially, and I know I'm really lucky for that. At 21, I know so many people that have moved out into their new places. They've got cars, they've got this, they've got that. My boyfriend is one of them. He's 22 with a mortgage and a car, but that doesn't make me any less of a person, you know. But I am lucky in a way that I don't have so many financial responsibilities, and if I did, I probably wouldn't be spending £99 on a phone, because money is stretched a lot of places as it is. So having a really glitzy phone is not a necessity, but it's a luxury that I am fortunate to have. So please don't think I'm trying to boast or brag, because I'm very aware of the current climate of this country and it's crap. Which is why I'm making it my goal. Not that this helps a lot, but it might help cheer people up. I'm going to be doing more giveaways this year. Hopefully going to hit 2k, so then I can do a big international giveaway, and once I've reached 2k, I'll be reaching into international giveaways anyway. But my main point is, I want to give back a bit, because I know a bit of makeup and a bit of beauty products isn't going to fix the problems in the world, but it will cheer people up, hopefully. So, yeah. But anyway, a bit of a deep chat over. Anyway, I'm just so happy. The picture of me and mum is just one of my favourite photos ever. That was from Christmas Eve. Anyway, my phone is set up. Everything is sorted. No. So his face, I think. Oh yeah. Oh. Everything is working. Snapchat is working. Oh, I'm just very happy. So I will be keeping you guys updated with my phone casing in my week in my life kind of vlog. So I'll link it down in, I'll link it in the description when it is up. But yeah, I'm an owner of an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm very happy about it. The camera quality already I've seen is so much better. If you want to look at the difference, it's not massive. Alright, they're pretty much the same size, but you get more screen on this one because you don't have the bit at the top. So yeah, pretty much. And I'm going to be keeping this one because you never know when you're going to need a spare phone. Or I may sell it, but just get the camera fixed, because I'm not going to sell that to someone that doesn't obviously want that. So yeah, it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because as I said, as soon as I hit 2k, international giveaway pending. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, as I said, smash a big thumbs up. Let me know what content you want to see this year. And yeah, I am happy, very happy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.